Alright guys, this is an alternator of alternators made by MEACHMAN. This one is pushing out 325 amps. And it looks tough. Just want to do a video on it instead of just looking at pictures. It takes them about 3 weeks to do this. I had this one, they do the powder coating too, so I picked red to match the rest of the motor. I'll show you what it looks like in a few. Here is the finished product. Looks pretty cool. Went ahead and powder coated the alternator bracket. Got the Allen bolts. Well, if you like it, I'll leave you the link where you can get it. All right, guys.